Well, I took my car in recently to the dealer for a couple of recalls. They called me up and said they had parts and needed to schedule me, so we did that, and I brought my car in, and I was excited because I was getting something fixed and it wasn't going to cost me anything for a change. Yay! So then the bad news came. We looked at your car, Miss Mascarello, and we determined it needs this, that, and the other thing. Well, this all came up to $5,400 and some odd dollars. And I said, I'm just going to have to let that soak in for a while. So just do the recall and fix my light that's out, because that was only $60. Yay. And I'll just need to think about it for a while. So they had the car overnight. I get a text the next day, and the price has significantly come down. But, oh, excuse me, it's still through the roof. So I have decided that I'm not going to die tomorrow if I don't spend $5,400 getting my car fixed. I mentioned it to a couple friends who also have BMWs, and one recommended an excellent mechanic that he's using and told me do not pay those people to fix your car. So there's that. So I got my car back today, and I just paid for the light that I had them replace. And I had peace about knowing that I'm safe, and I'm sure everything is routine maintenance on an 11-year-old car, but it doesn't all have to be done at the same time. And I guess they try to put the fear of God in you, letting you know your car's going to catch on fire or your engine's going to fall out, but it's all good. Don't stress over stuff like that. It'll all work out. This is Lisa, your stylist, with a piece of me moment. Have a peaceful day.